What is going on, guys? Drake here with SimUnlock Phone official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock your iPhone X on Sprint network. So if you have an iPhone that is locked to Sprint's network, follow the steps in this video if you are going to want to unlock that. Let's get right into the video. So to begin, the first thing that we're going to want to do is find our 15-digit IMEI number. This is very simple. Go to your settings, and then general and about, and then you can scroll down and you'll find it right here. Again, it's a 15-digit number and you don't need the spaces, so you can just copy and paste it, write it down somewhere that you can read it from later. And that's all that we're going to want to do on the phone now. And if you have a computer, then now would be the time to switch to that, as we're going to go to simunlockphone.com. Again, the link will be down in the description below. But once we get to our website here, we're going to click shop, and then we're going to find the Sprint iPhone unlock. Again, this is for clean IMEIs only. There are no blacklisted IMEIs or financed phones that will work for here. Make sure that is completely clean IMEI for this video. So after we find the Sprint IMEI unlock, we're going to enter in the model, the IMEI of the phone, as well as the status of the phone. Enter in all three of these things and then complete checkout. Within 5 to 10 days, you will receive an email from SimUnlock Phone saying that your unlock is ready. After that, we are going to now just complete these last few tips, and then the unlock tutorial will be complete. So on the phone that you're using here, all that you're going to want to do is switch off the SIM cards from your current Sprint SIM to any other carrier that you'd like to use the phone with. For example, I'm going to switch from Sprint to T-Mobile here. So we're going to take out the Sprint SIM card and put in one from T-Mobile. And now all you're going to want to do after you put in that new SIM card is let it refresh. It might have a waiting for activation screen. And then restart the phone. You're going to want to connect to Wi-Fi, and then the unlock will be done. You usually won't get any message or anything like that. Or if you want to do it on your computer, all you have to do is plug it into iTunes, enter in your iTunes password, and then it will complete the unlock by itself. So there's one or two ways that you guys can finish that. It's up to you, but that is how it's done. Again, guys, this was a tutorial for how to unlock the iPhone X. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave us a thumbs up and let us know if we did help you guys down below. Thank you for watching, and signing off, this is Drake with simunlockphone.com, which catch you guys in the next video. Peace.